Here's how to find QR code on the Ring doorbell. The first thing that you're going to do is below your Ring doorbell device, you will see there is screw on the left side. What you need to do is to unscrew that. After unscrewing it, you will be able to go ahead and see the very back of the device, and you will see the scan during setup. So what you need to do is just go ahead and use this scan, and now you can go ahead and set up the QR code. So this usually is located at the very back of the device. Now, the other options for you to see the QR code is at the box of the Ring doorbell. Usually, you will see the QR code that you can go ahead and use to scan so that you can set up your Ring doorbell device. And after going ahead and finding the QR code, you can now go ahead and scan it using your mobile phone. Make sure that you have already installed the Ring doorbell application first before scanning the QR code so that you can go ahead and set up it manually and easily.